Guys, back again with another video. So this video is a bit different from my normal videos. It is a hard video to make, to be honest. Right now I'm feeling crazy anxious because yesterday I decided, like I always say in my videos, I'm either gonna buy a M4 or a M340i for my next car. The M4 would be the F82 though, or a M340i. And yeah, last night I wasn't going to do this until next year, until I turn 21, because I turned 21 in December. I was just going to buy it for my birthday, but I did say I might buy it after my birthday. I said I'm either going to buy it for my birthday, like right on my birthday, or I'm going to buy it like probably a couple months after. But for some reason last night I don't know, I was just thinking, and I posted my car for sale. So yeah, I did post the F30 for sale, but I had no intentions of selling the car. So I posted it for a price that I actually wanted, and just to see, you know, like the offers I got and stuff like that. I'm only putting 50 in because probably gonna sell the car like in a couple hours. So yeah, I posted it for sale just to see the offers I would get, and the amount of messages I got, bro, was actually crazy. So, and one guy wanted to bring cash today for the car. He said he wanted to see it and stuff, and if he likes it, he said he might take it today. So who knows, you know, he might not actually want the car, you know, I don't know, I have no clue. But I told him, yeah, I'm down to meet up. Bro, this video came out of nowhere. It's out of nowhere for me as well, because I'd never thought of selling the car this year at all. Like this year was completely out of the picture. I was not going to sell the car this year. But I mean, I don't know why, bro. I don't know why. I just, for some reason, posted the car. And yeah, so if I meet this guy and he actually wants a car today and he brings cash, then the F30 is gone and I'll be getting a new car. And I have to get a new car really soon, because I can't live without a car. Like not even for just like personal preferences, like I actually need a car for like my businesses and everything like that. So I would have to get a new car within a week, like max. So yeah, I don't know, just a little walk around of the car there. I'm actually gonna wash it really quick, and yeah, possibly my last time washing this car. But yeah, it's hard for me to sell it, but I built this car from nothing up to where it is now. So I have, like, not in a weird way or nothing, but I have a serious connection with this car. You know, I love this car. I had a Lexus before this. It was hard for me to sell the Lexus too, but not as hard as this car, because this car I did way more. I feel like this car has more of a storyline than the Lexus. The Lexus was a great car. It was super hard for me to sell it too, but this car is definitely harder. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna wash the car real quick. And right now it's 3:02. I'm supposed to meet the guy at like 5:15. So yeah, I'm gonna get the car all clean, you know, make it look all as good as I can make it look. This might be my last time driving the car. That might have been my last time putting gas in the car, and this might be my last POV with this car. Yeah, the F30 is super clean right now, and I can't believe this might be my last time washing the car. Right now I'm actually texting the guy, and he sounds serious, bro. Car is looking mad clean though. Just here at my little cousin. He loves my car. The car's looking mad clean. Yeah.
I think the car's going mad clean.
But yeah, it is super clean. Might be my last time washing this car. That's actually crazy to think. So I'm gonna definitely give you guys a little POV while I'm going there to meet the guy, because it might be the last time of me driving it. If he doesn't buy it, I'm still gonna give you guys a POV heading back home, but you know, I gotta make one before, just in case he does buy the car. But yeah, look at this lineup though. F30 335i, Dodge Challenger RT. This is my uncle's car. Range Rover Velar 2023. Crazy lineup. This is my aunt's car. It's my uncle's car. Obviously that's my car. Not gonna be my car for very much longer though. Crazy car. I love this car too. It sounds so aggressive, and it's stock exhaust, and it's crazy how it sounds. In the range, definitely want to be able to own something like this one day, like just for like a luxury family SUV or a G-Wagon. But it is a crazy lineup, bro. It's actually crazy to think that I actually own such a nice car like this, and I'm about to sell it and get something even nicer. Now I'm gonna miss this car if he actually buys it. But yeah, I'm on my way there. I'm like 9 minutes away, so I'm almost there. The guys should be there already, so I gotta be doing some pulls in traffic, because bam, yeah, because I'm not trying to drive slow there the whole time, knowing that this might be my last time driving it. I have to step on it at least a little bit. But I want you guys to tell me in the comments, what car do you guys think I'm gonna get next? Because I told you guys I'm either getting an M340i or a F82 M4. I wish I could keep both cars, but I don't got that kind of money, bro. Just listen to this car. The intake, the pops, the shifts, the looks of the car, everything is just perfect, bro. Damn, look at that. M340i. Is that what I'm getting? Maybe I'm getting one of those. I don't know, who knows? Either that or an M4. So comment down below what you guys want me to get, because I already know what I'm gonna get, but you guys take your guesses in the comments. Yeah, I'm passing it. Let me try to get a good video of it. IMG Rich. I hope I got it on camera good. This car is just perfect, bro. I swear, if I had enough money, I swear to God, I would keep this car and buy the other one that I want. Something about this car, I don't know. It feels so good to drive. It just feels like I'm connected to the car when I'm driving. Like it just feels planted on the road. That's what I like about it. So the next clip you guys are seeing, if I'm not in my car, know that it's sold. If I'm sitting in the car, then I still got it. Bro, I just had to step out of the car, give it one last walk around. Damn, bro. I'm not even 100% sure that he's buying, but just in case, you know, I'm just preparing myself mentally, everything like that. But yeah, he might buy it, he might not, who knows. But the next clip now, for real, is gonna be when I'm done dealing with the guy, whether he buys it or not. So you guys will see. Alright, boys. As you guys see, I am driving the car back home. So the guy did not buy it. Well, he said he's gonna text me tomorrow. We'll see, but at least I'm making this video so you guys know that the F30 is up for sale, and I am not selling it unless I get a right price, because I really did not plan. Let me just give you guys a pull before I talk. Damn, bro. But yeah, like I was saying, I did not plan on selling this car until next year, and I am not selling it until next year, unless I obviously get like a deal that is just like I have to take, you know what I'm saying? Because everything is for sale for the right price. I'll keep you guys in the loop for the time being. You guys watched my video yesterday and you guys saw the car and everything, and I mentioned nothing about selling it because I did not plan on selling it. It was literally like in the night, I was just sitting there and I was just like, yeah, you know what, let me post the car just to see. And I'm like, if I get a good offer, then I'll sell it. But yeah, so at least you guys got an update, and the car didn't just disappear today. Ended the recording and everything. I did my outro, ended the video, and I see a G80 up there. So I'm gonna try to get up to him, throw my car in Sport Plus, and believe it or not, yesterday I raced a C8 Corvette. I started recording and I stopped because there was an old guy. He wasn't even looking at me. I'm like, nah, he doesn't care to race me or nothing. And we did a dig from the light, side by side, neck by neck. I swear, it was unbelievable. Look at the G80, yo, that's just nice. But yeah, a C8 Corvette. I was so mad I didn't record it, bro. But side by side from the light, we did a dig. Probably like a 0 to like 100 kilometers, I would say, or like 80 kilometers. I don't know what's that in miles. This is a nice bike too. I want to get a bike as well. Now I'll buy the G80. That shit is crazy, bro. That's a dream, bro. I feel like the bike might give me a pull. I don't know. Let's see if he's down to race. This is exactly how me and the C8 Corvette were lined up, and I stopped recording. I don't know why, bro. Let's see if he's down to run it. That'd be sick for the video. But I feel like he would. Damn, I got gap. Ooh, I'm catching up though. Yo, that's sick, bro. That is sick. That's freaking sick. That shit's fast though. That shit is fast. Yeah, I knew he was mad chill. That bro's vibing. Damn, I want a bike. Bro, I want too much, G. I need to get rich. That's what I need to do. This guy's checking out the car. I need to get rich, bro. There's too much cars that I want. There's too much. I can't pick. Like, I don't think I could live the rest of my life with one car. No way, bro. I'm either gonna be rotating through cars in no time, or I'm gonna have to own a bunch of them. So I just need to get rich, bro.